Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we're gonna be doing like a phantom look, I guess you can say. But yeah, I did have my base. The only thing I haven't done is bronzer, blush, that stuff. But over here I haven't done anything. I don't even know how I'm gonna make this side all white. So now I'm just gonna take the white concealer everywhere to do the masked part. I'm gonna take this M173 and blend it all in. I also bought face paint, so it should be here probably around the first days of October. So now we're going to be taking some of the Airspun and we'll just get into the eyeshadow. So we're just going to be doing one eye. So we're going to take a little bit of berry mousse and a little bit of chocolate. We'll go into the Festival by Juvia's, and we're going to be going in M124. We're going to be going into this color. And now we're going to be taking a little bit of the NYX glitter glue. I'm going to be putting it all over the lid in this shade. And on this side, all we're going to do or be using is the black. And now we're going to throw on some liner, so we'll be back. I'll be back. We're back. So I went ahead and made this eyebrow like a little bit thinner and darker. I honestly forgot to put lashes on. Wow. So I'll be back. So we're gonna attempt to do like a little teardrop thing. So we're in the James Charles palette, so we're gonna take some of the black so it won't be too harsh for getting or blending it out. And we're mixing in some white now. We're going to take some white eyeliner. Now we're going to be taking a brush and we're going to be taking the black and we're going to be carefully shading the line. And we'll also be taking the bronzer. We're going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. Let me hopefully fixing these mistakes. So we're going to be contouring with a mixture of the black in the James Charles palette and with our bronzer. Now we're gonna go into Blue Blood and we're gonna be taking this pink and we'll be setting it as blush on this side. We're just gonna darken it up with a little bit of on the top. Then we're going in with the bronzer. We're gonna be going in the glow kit on this side, and for this side we're going to be using this shade in the Blue Blood palette. Okay, so now for this side we're gonna do black lipstick, which is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Weirdo. And for this side, the Wet n Wild lip gloss and the Wet n Wild Tint of Corruption. Now let's do the other side. So that's the end of this makeup look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below if you want me to do like any other type of look that I haven't done before, or you know, give me ideas, whatever you want. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget that I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, a nice evening, a nice night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.